Hello everyone, this is Neha Soni and I am your social science teacher, and yes, we have started with history from class 6 and we have completed our chapters, yes, first, second and third. The first chapter was what, where, how and when, and we have discussed about the earliest people, how did they look like, where did they live and how can we know about them. And in our second chapter, that is from hunting, gathering to growing food, we have discussed about their lifestyle and how they cultivate the crops, how they invented fire. And yes, in our chapter number 3, that is in the earliest city, so we have discussed the two earlier cities like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, and the places who were in Gujarat like Dholavira, Lothal and Surkotra. So we have discussed all the cities of Harappan civilization and we have completed our chapter number 3, and you have learned so many things from this chapter, that the earliest farmers and the Harappan city farmers, how they were different from each other. And now we will do the exercise of our chapter number 3. So here we begin it. So first question, how do archaeologists know that cloth was used in the Harappan civilization? So archaeologists को ये कैसे पता चला कि उस समय के जो लोग हैं वे कपड़े का उपयोग करते थे? So here the answer is, आपने देखा होगा, हमने देखा था कि they get the evidence of cotton cloth, okay, from a lid of silver vase. So archaeologists have found the remains of piece of cloth फ्रॉम मोहनजोदारो. मोहनजोदारो से इन्हें एक पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ मिला था and that was stuck to the lid of silver vase and some other copper objects. So they have found remains of the piece of cloth and spindles. Spindles made of cooked clay and faience इंडिकेट स्पिनिंग यार्ड. सो इससे हमें पता चलता है कि वे लोग उस समय जो कपड़ा है उसकी बुनाई शुरू कर चुके थे. एंड कॉटन was also cultivated there, from which later spinning and weaving were made into clothes. और कॉटन के जो क्लोथ्स हैं वो लोग कॉटन का क्लोथ्स को पहनना स्टार्ट कर चुके थे. सो by these sources we can know that the Harappan civilization people were familiar with the use of cloth. And a stone statue, a stone idol has also been found from Mohenjo-daro, the important man of that time. We have found the statue of that man, and man was wearing embroidered clothes have been shown there. So by these the archaeologists have found that the people were familiar with the use of cloth. Okay, next question is, we have to match the columns. So you know very well, the people of Harappan civilization, they import such goods like metal. In metal they import copper, gold, silver, tin and etc. So we have to match this one to with this. So if we match that copper कहाँ से मंगवाते थे वे लोग? कॉपर को वे लोग मंगवाते थे राजस्थान के खेतड़ी से. yes, so they imported copper from खेतड़ी in Rajasthan. And if we talk about gold, so they import gold from Karnataka, and the Kolar mines are famous for gold. Okay, and if we talk about tin, so if we mix the tin and copper, then the metal will be bronze. So they import tin from Afghanistan. And if we match precious stones with Gujarat, because they import precious stones from Gujarat. So this is our question number 2. Next question is, why were metals, writing, the wheel एंड द प्लो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर हरप्पन्स, जो हरप्पन्स थे उनके लिए जो गुड्स थे, मेटल्स थे, उनकी जो लेखन कला थी, हरप्पन स्क्रिप्ट जो थी, व्हील्स क्या काम आती थी, जो कार्ट्स थी, जो ट्रेन की उन्होंने, जो गाड़ियों का उन्होंने आविष्कार किया। और अगर हम बात करें प्लो मीन्स जो हल के अवशेष हमने वहाँ देखे हैं वो क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट थे। सो वी हैव टू गिव द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. So here are the answer. If we talk about the metals, the people of Harappan civilization were familiar with metals because you know very well they imported goods from other cities, place to place they have to import, and the merchants who used caravans and ships, and they can buy and sell their goods to other places and other one. So they made tools, weapons, ornaments and utensils out of copper and bronze, okay, and while ornaments and utensils were made from gold and silver. जो tools थे, जो weapons थे और जो छोटे मोटे जो उनके utensils थे, ornaments थे, वे उन्होंने किससे बनाए? कॉपर से और ब्रॉन्ज से बनाए। और some important utensils and ornaments were made of gold and silver. So metal was very important for their life. Next, if we talk about the writing, the Harappan script, so in Harappa writing was also great importance. Writing was also a great importance for their life, and the work of writing was done by clerks, and clerks who lived in cities. Remember it? So clerks who done their writing work, and he used to write on seals and other things. And the Harappan script we have see on the seals and stamps who were made from wet clay. So writing was very important for Harappan people. And if we talk about the wheels, because people used to import goods from another place, so they required a cart, okay, so that's why they use and they invent the wooden wheel. That time the wheel was very important to the Harappan people. Trains, it means cart, were made with the help of wheels, and due to cart which trade फ्लरिश्ड देयर, और जो ट्रेड था वहाँ पे जो वैल्यूएबल गुड्स थी उनका जो ट्रेड था वो बहुत अच्छे से फला और फूला। और हम ये देख सकते हैं ट्रेड वॉज कैरिड आउट फ्रॉम फार फ्लंग एरियाज, मीन्स दूर दूर से अक्रॉस द फ्रंटायर्स उन्होंने इम्पोर्ट किए हैं गुड्स को, आपने देखा है हमारे इस चैप्टर में। सो that's why wheel was very important for the Harappan people. And next, if we talk about plows, so plows were also very important to the Harappan people. In Harappa we have found some wooden plow toys. So in Harappa wooden plows were used to plow the land for agriculture, and you know very well the Harappan farmers who used to live in a permanent area and they plow their field, okay, and they make ready the land by irrigation it, and irrigation is the watering of land, you know very well, to make it ready for agriculture, and they use wooden plows to plow the land for agriculture. And if we talk about the earliest people who lived in other areas, they were not using the plows. So this is the difference between them, and now we can know that plows are very important for Harappan farmers and Harappan people. Next question is question number 4. Make a list of all the terracotta toys shown in the lesson. आपको आपके जो अध्याय है इसमें हमें टेराकोटा टॉयज़ के बहुत सारे जो हमें इमेजेस दी हैं, दिखाए हैं, उनके बारे में हमें लिस्ट बनानी है. And which do you think children would have enjoyed playing with the most? और आप क्या समझते हैं कि जो बच्चे हैं इनमें से किस तरह के टॉयज़ से खेलना ज़्यादा पसंद करते होंगे? So here the answer is toys were made of clay. Okay, toys were made of clay. And for an example, many kinds of toy animals, you can see many kind of toys animals there. And the other were toy cart, okay, and toy plow. So we think these include the kids would have like toy animals and toy car more. आपको भी तो कारें बहुत पसंद है ना खेलने में, खिलौनों में. सो इसी तरह से हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि शायद उस समय के जो बच्चे थे उन्हें भी जो टेराकोटा टॉयज़ के बने हुए जानवरों की जो खिलौने थे वे और जो टॉय कार्स थी वो ज़्यादा पसंद आती होगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ Make a list of what the Harappans ate. Okay, वो लोग क्या खाते थे, है ना? And put a tick mark against the thing you eat today. And you eat lots more things, right? And you have lots of variety of the food. Now you can eat pizza, pasta, sandwiches, burger, Chinese and the South Indian, and so many cuisines are there. But what kind of food Harappans ate? We have to put a tick mark against the thing you eat today. Okay. So here food items of Harappan people are here and we have to tick mark on it. So they eat wheat and we eat today. So we have to tick on it. Yes. So the food was wheat, barley, pulses, pea, rice, season, mustard, milk, fruit and fish, and we eat all of these food items today. So we will take all of these and we eat so many things now. So next question is, do you think that the life of farmers and herders who supplied food to the Harappan cities, okay, the city dwellers, they get food from rural areas, and the farmers and the herders who supplied food for city dwellers was different from that the farmers and herders you read about in chapter 2, from hunting, gathering to growing food. So we have to differentiate between the farmer and herders who supplied food to the Harappan cities and with the farmers and herders we have read about in our chapter number 2. So and we have to give reasons for your answer. So we have to give reasons with our answer. So here are the answer. Yes, it was different. Yes, the lifestyle of the farmers and herders who live in Harappan civilization was different. Okay, so the reason for this are as follows. First reason is the Harappan farmers used to live in permanent residence. Yes, my dear students, and whereas the earliest farmers lived both, like they live in permanent areas and they live their nomadic life, okay, and they do hunting, fishing and other activities also. So next is Harappan farmers used plow for plowing the lands, okay, and we have studied about it that the earliest farmer was not known about it, okay, he was not aware of it. So whereas no such evidence of early farmers who use plows to plow the land, okay. And third reason is the Harappan farmers used to store water. They used to store water because the rainfall is less there and use many methods for irrigation. We have found the evidence of irrigation at Harappan civilization. So and if we talk about the earlier farmers, they did not adopt any method, okay, they did not store water for their future requirements, okay. So my question is over from here, and now you have understood all of the answers and the chapter very well, and we will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care of your health and studies, and good day my dear students.